In today's video, I'll be doing like a flip through of our science curriculum. Hi friends, it's Elizabeth and welcome back to my channel. I am batch filming today and this is the third video that I shoot today. Anyways, I am a homeschooling mom to two ages, almost 9 and a 7-year-old. If you are new here, we are Noeo Science users / Logos Press. This year we are doing Biology 2. This is recommended for grades 4 to 6. This is the instructor's guide. There's a story behind this one. This is the old version. I got this from a friend, but too late when I realized that Noeo Science updated their curriculums. So there is a new version for this one. We are using the old version of the teacher's guide and also the student's manual. This is the old version. And we are using the new version of the experiment guide. We bought the experiment kits. You don't have to buy the experiment kits, but I think it's easier and it's more convenient if you will buy the experiment kits. This is the kit 1. This is for weeks 1, 4, 6, and 8. This is kit 2. This is for weeks 10, 12, 13, and 14. And this is kit number 3 for week 16, 19, 20, 21, and 22. And lastly, this is kit number 4 for weeks 27, 31, 32, up to 35. Some weeks we don't have any experiments, just reading, just like this past week. We did not have any experiment. We went to the Museum of Life and Science, so my children get to see bugs, insects, and all creepy crawlies. And the textbooks that we are using, Smithsonian Animals, a visual encyclopedia. The pictures in here are really beautiful. It's really beautiful. The only downside is it mentions 1 million years. But overall, it's packed of information. But our kids know that the Earth is not 1 million years old. The other textbook that we use is this one, the Usborne Science Encyclopedia. We have not used this much yet. We've been focusing on insects. And we also use this one, The World of the Microscope. So it has some experiments. We'll also use this one when it's time to talk about the body or the human body. This is from Scholastic. Easy to make hands-on models that teach. We also have this one, look inside the human body. This is really cool because it's 3D. I will try to find the link to this one. See, it's 3D. So this is what's inside Noeo Science Biology 2. And again, this is the old version. This is the Noeo Science packages. We did Biology 1, Physics 1, Chemistry 1, and we're back here, Biology 2, and we're planning to finish all of this. And this is the table of contents. Welcome to Noeo. This course is divided into 8 units. I put all of them there. So, Unit 1, the microscopic world, and then there are 4 weeks. Unit 2, invertebrates. There are also 4 weeks to study. And then Unit 3, sea creatures and birds. There are also 4 weeks. And Unit 4, reptiles and amphibians. There are only 2 weeks for that. And Unit 5, mammals. There are 5 weeks. Unit 6, animal behaviors. There are 5 weeks. Unit 7, the human body. There are 5 weeks. And lastly, Unit 8 is plants. 2, 4, 6. There are 7 units. So this is good for 36-week study, being you do science from Monday to Thursday, but we only do science twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but we double up the lesson. Anyways, I have a video coming up for our schedule. So they have the welcome page. Welcome to Noeo. Noeo means to perceive with the mind, to understand, to have understanding. Noeo means being understood. The Noeo philosophy, the Noeo method, and their teaching method, classical and a mixture of Charlotte Mason through living books. This is the recommended 4-day schedule, grades 1 to 3, 15 to 20 minutes, 2-day schedule, 30 to 40 minutes, and this is what we do. Lab experiments, drawings, and again, this is the old version. I know the newest version doesn't look like this. We did Physics 1 last year, and it was the newest version. It's so different from this one. This is the list. This is the weekly schedule of topics. They break it down for you. We don't have like this one in the newer version. Yeah, it's so different. Weekly reading and experiments. And here comes Unit 1. This is your guide. Week 2, using your microscope. So we've been using our microscope. This is Unit 2, invertebrates. This is the experiment guide, and this is the newest version. I am not going to show you everything. I will just show you the layout. They put their question there and the materials that you will need. So this is from the kit, and you need some stuff from your home. These are the instructions for the experiment, and then a little explanation of what you learned from the experiment. So it's laid out like that. Experiment under the microscope, paper, their question, and then the materials, and then the instructions, and then what you learned from that experiment. I hope this video is helpful. I know most of us homeschoolers are starting our curriculum shopping now. Just let me know if you have any question. Just write it down in the comment section. I think that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!